Aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. Yeah,
go chase.